When the U.S. Department of Energy announced its Coral project, purchasing 2 supercomputers from IBM for the national labs, it marked a major shift to data-centric computing.
Data-centric computing, or the idea of locating computing all places where data exists to minimize data movement, is a necessary and critically important architectural transition that IBM is announcing with the Coral project, because not only are the government labs in the U.S. exposed to the dramatic impact of huge amounts of data, but so are industries around the world.
So the computing world is shifting towards a more data-centric or more big data-like characteristics. And so, and that shift is because of the kinds of applications where you want the applications, you want the modeling and simulation folks to actually be ingesting data, looking at data from experiment, looking at data from satellites, the Internet of Things, where data is coming at you from 26 billion different kinds of sensors or processors. You want all of that information to come in and be readily accessible and applicable to solving a big modeling and simulation problem.
High performance computing allows us to look at all kinds of problems that are important to the nation and to our economy. It allows us to look at things like how to improve the fuel economy of trucks. It allows us to model things like the tracks of hurricanes to give better predictions of where they're going to go and what the impact may be so that we can tell people when they should leave. It allows us to model things like biofuels so that we can figure out how can we create fuel from plants rather than having to import it from the Middle East. It gives us a huge impact to our economy.
Data-centric computing is a phenomenon that the national labs and other big science institutions already experience today. They're awash with data, they don't know how to handle it, and there's a new architectural paradigm that we've produced, data-centric computing, which is meant to deal with this problem. But this is a problem that no one is immune from. The issue of big data and the impact on acceleration of insight is something that cuts across all market segments, all technologies, and eventually you'll see it even affecting smart devices that consumers are using.